Hi, I know how depression and anxiety hurt a lot, annoy so much, like a huge burden that exhausts your heart and mind, a war with killer thoughts and painful emotions. What about getting unique, fast depression and anxiety cleanse in just 1 hour by using cutting-edge, new, easy, tested, so effective way? We all need a fast way to cleanse our mind, body, and soul if possible. Personally, I struggled a lot from being unhappy or even depressed sometimes. This is why I studied hard and became a psychotherapist with distinction. Plus, I reinvented many NLP patterns and tactics as a master practitioner. Plus, broadened my experience and became a certified life coach. Plus, many other secrets from positive psychology and traditional psychology. I will provide you with the same secrets that I use to help many of my clients to cleanse depression and or anxiety fast. You will get a unique fast depression and or anxiety cleanse in just 1 hour if you just apply the next steps. This course is one of my cutting-edge fast ways to beat and cleanse depression and or anxiety with all of its hidden areas and lead you to have your happier, successful life. And try this yourself. Enjoy that you can be relieved after finishing this course in just 1 hour. In order to deliver you the best content that will stick and cleanse your depression and or anxiety fast, I packed each lecture with true stories, metaphors, and strange unique videos to deliver you the scientific message in simple, clear steps. But actually, I did enormous effort to formulate that unique, cutting-edge, simple new way. From life coaching, traditional psychology, positive psychology, NLP, and formulated all of that into very easy steps that when you apply it one by one, you will cleanse your depression and or anxiety in just 1 hour. If you complete this course to the last lecture, you will have an extra unique free gift. For the first time, you will have therapeutic depression and or anxiety fast cleanse meditation that will cleanse your mind and soul. This is a unique tool worth more than $100 at least, and you will get it totally free. My mission is to guide you to overcome depression and or anxiety, so every question is most welcomed. Just put it in the discussion board and I will answer it as soon as I can. Enjoy.